So anyway, how y'all feeling? How y'all doing? What you doing? What's shaking? You know. Anywho, so I wanted to touch on working from home. How is it working from home? Remote working. So remote working with a 2-year-old, with a toddler. Let's talk about it. So I know a lot of people, a lot of my new people that I've met, along this journey have kids, a lot of kids. But I'm just like, okay, I have mine, and I'm like, I can't wait to have like 4 or 5 kids. Like, oh my goodness, can you imagine? Y'all turn onto my channel, and one day y'all see like mad kids. Like, wait, because I don't think in my next pregnancy, well, I'm not gonna advertise in my next pregnancy. I'm not gonna do all of that. In my first one, I basically was in COVID, and it was a lot of evil eye and all these fake friends I had. So I was basically going through my dark night of the soul. So that's why I detached myself, because that's what you have to do. If you want to get ahead and you listen to God, you listen to your gut, and your third eye is open, you know what I'm saying? You're not asleep, and you're not susceptible to all these curses and all these things, or all this whatever's going on out in the world, the matrix. If you are aware of your surroundings, and you know what's going on, and you know that nothing outside of you controls you. So like, the environment can't control you, the weather can't control you, the people can't control you. Another person, even if you're with them, even if it's your child, even if it's your parent, even if it's anybody, your teacher, your counselor, your therapist, your lover, your husband, your wife, they can't control you. They can't, because you control yourself. That's why people say, I am loved, I am a queen, I am powerful. Hello, I'm a magician. So anyway, let's talk about it. So working from home is bananas. Like, people think it's all sweet and dandy, but I'm still breastfeeding one, and like I saw in my last video, and I'm on the road. I'm still delivering. I'm doing deliveries left and right. I'm doing what I need to do. I don't ask people for nothing. I don't beg nobody. I don't beg friends. I don't do none of that. So the old me is gone. I don't do none of that. I used to feel like I needed outside gratification, outside people like telling me, that I did a good job. I don't need that. I don't even know what I was thinking about, because when I used to work at this job for the state, I'm gonna tell y'all, in Staten Island, I used to have the 328XI, right? This is just a quick short story. I used to have that 328XI, right? And this chick, like, she befriended me, but she was like a snake in the grass. So she befriended me. The manager had befriended me. They had 2 of them. So the night manager, whatever. But all of them was in the rah-rah. They like to do this. So my ex, he drove the Benz. Well, you don't know, but he drove a Benz. And at the time, I had a 328XI, which is, people that don't know, it's a BMW little car. It's the smallest of the BMW series, the 3. They got the 3 to 5. They got the 3 to 4 to 5, the 6 to 7. You go up the 3 to 4 to 5, and then the Jeeps, the trucks, the X3, the X4, X5, 6, 7. Now they got the X7. Woo! But anyway, that's another story. So basically, oh, I knew it was him. Basically, like I'm saying, so she befriended me, and then when I didn't want to basically like smoke weed with her, and I didn't want to drink with her no more, I told her I stopped drinking. Like, I didn't tell nobody I was doing my IVF. I told them about it. I told them about my channel. This is when I was first starting my channel. So I guess they took me for a joke, but look at me now. Okay? But anyway, that's another story. So she started scratching up my car. I told the manager, like, nobody wanted to do nothing. I had to go tell the cops. I had to go make a report on the grounds. Like, I had to make a report. People are so jealous. Like, because my thing is, she had a man. She had one dude that she was sleeping with, her child father, whatever, one of her baby daddies. See what I'm saying? Like, even me, I should have known better, but I wasn't listening to my my gut. You know, I should have known better, because that's not a person I need to hang around. A person that smokes, a person that got a pass, a person that got arrested, that's back and forth in jail, a person that has a bunch of baby daddies. Because you know why? I'm not judging, but that's not me. That's not, we don't resonate on nothing. Like, what are we gonna relate on? Nothing. We don't have nothing in common. But you know me, I was like, you know, she cool, whatever. So her man was beating her up. I was telling my boss, helping her out, whatever. But at the end of the day, she became a fake enemy. Like, she became a friend of me, because she didn't like me. She never liked me. She was just pretending, like, because she wanted to be in my energy. But she was like, okay, you know, she see me shine, and I guess she was like, oh. But she wasn't paying no rent. She wasn't paying no bills. I had to pay everything. Like, you see, people always want to see what they think they see on the outside. You see a nice car, but homegirl, like, I had to save like over 10 years to get this. Like, I had to pay rent, I had to pay cable, I had to pay for food. I didn't get food stamps. I had to pay for everything. She got her man paying everything. Like, bro, I don't have nobody taking care of me. But you know what? I don't need nobody taking care of me. See, that's what she was missing. So she did all that for what? Now I got an X5. Now I moved, I left, I quit the job. Like, I don't need that. She need that. You know what I'm saying? I don't need nothing. Like, please, I got me. God got me, so I got me. Now, anyway, working from home, that's enough of that. That's to show y'all. The people that y'all think is friends is not. They snakes. So, anyway, like, let me see. So, my little boopsie, she is constantly on my laptop. She's always pressing things. She's always putting me in airplane mode. When I have interviews, when I have consultations, I'll say, when I have things to do with clients, she's always on my face. Basically, what I have to do is I have to put her to sleep, I have to breastfeed her, put her to sleep, rock her, massage her, do some baby yoga with her, play with her, and then she'll go to sleep. Now, that's kind of hard. Then at night or in the morning, early morning, 7 a.m., we out delivering. 8 o'clock, we out delivering. You know, that's hard also, because now it's like I got to get her up. Well, she's already up at 5, but get her up, get her dressed, get me dressed, do all of this, look like this, and go out. It's a lot. So, you know, I give it up. I give my props to all my remote work from home parents, moms. You know, y'all are the bomb. And everyone is needed. Everyone that's working from home, not only the moms. Y'all stay safe and y'all be blessed. But it's kind of hard. But you know what? I went to another state, like, for another job, and I realized, like, I used to think it was hard traveling state to state, but like now, I'm telling you, like, soon enough I'm gonna be in Atlanta. Like, y'all just saw me in Myrtle Beach, right? See, years ago, I had a friend of me, and she was a fake friend. Like, I'm not even gonna say her name, because she don't deserve that. She probably watching me all the time too. I had to block her, but you know, people make fake pages to do what? To watch you. But y'all see, they see I'm still shining, and I'm fabulous. So she basically lives in Atlanta, and I'm not going there though. I want to go to Georgia. I'm not going to, like, the, what is it, BGLT, whatever it is. I don't know. I'm not with it. I listen, I don't care what people do with themselves, just as long as y'all don't do it with me. I'm not trying to meet no man that sleep with another man. I'm not with that. And I'm not with no woman that sleep with a woman. And I'm not with a swinging and all that nasty, evil stuff. I'm not with that, because my soul is clean. I'm not with that. I don't care. You do it. If you want to do it, I'm not judging you. Please keep it away from me. So I'm not, LGBT. I'm not with it. So QRSTY, I don't know. They got all kind of letters now. I can't. It's too much. No. Anyway, I'm gonna soon be in Atlanta, in Georgia. Georgia. We on the grind with all the time. Hey, okay. I don't want you two going crazy. I ain't trying to sing the song. So yeah, guys. But if you are working remote and you doing your thing, do your thing, boo. You know, it ain't nothing but a chicken wing. Try to get to this bag, because that's all I'm about. Get into this bag. All that other stuff is for the birds. You know what? Back then I was all about emotions, love, and all this boobity bobbity stuff, family, all this crap, and I got hurt. But you know what? I learned those lessons. I moved on. You know, I forgive the past, because the past is nothing. The past, I don't even remember the past. That's how stupid it was. It's just lessons. So y'all need to just leave the past in the past, because I I don't bring it with me. That's how you get held back. If you hold on to stuff, that's how you keep those people attached to you. So cut those ties, cut those cords, cut it, do cord cutting. Google it on YouTube. YouTube got everything. Y'all need to get it together. Like, I be meeting so much people that's all messed up. Like, Google it. Like, if you want to heal, heal. Don't be asking me about nonsense when you don't want to do the work. I can't do the work for you. Like, I'm already a testimony. I did the work, so I'm a test. Look at my life. Like, look at all the crap I've been through. Life wasn't good to me. So, I don't know. Y'all think it's sweet now? No. It looks sweet now because now it is, but it used to be nasty. I used to hate the world and everybody in it. Anyway, but now I'm all about self-love. I'm all about love and spreading it. And if you're not about that, I don't want you around me. I don't want you around my child. I don't care. Or around my children. Around my children. I'm sorry. So anyway, guys, this was just a short video on how I'm doing with working remote learning, remote working from home, and I'm in college online. It's a lot. So remote learning and studying and remote working from home. So I travel with my laptop. My laptop is always with me, and my journal is always with me. You see what that says? Strive to progress, not perfection. Nobody's perfect. Okay, so this is my journal. I keep it with me, so whenever I want to journal something for gratitude, it's a gratitude journal. So y'all start journaling. I hope y'all doing it. Y'all follow what I'm saying, because I mean, I'm not gonna, I'm not babysitting nobody. I'm not gonna spoon feed nobody anymore, and I'm not gonna worry about nobody else but myself. Nobody more than myself. So if you're not helping yourself, and if you're not trying to succeed and trying to get better, do better for you, your family, your loved ones, people that actually love you, not only family, people that love you, then I'm not with it. I don't care. I'm not chasing nobody. I'm not running after no dude. I don't care. You know what? I'm chasing that bag. That bag. I'm not even chasing that bag. Ooh, what time is it? Y'all see that Movado? Oh, I know. I'm not chasing it. Money's chasing me. I sleep and get money. Like, money comes to me in my sleep. So y'all stay manifesting, stay doing your thing, you know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna continue posting these videos, getting them out, getting them to you. That's another thing. That's another job, another source of income. I hope y'all keeping y'all 3, 4, 5 sources of incomes going, because as y'all know, there's another pandemic thing going on. So y'all stay safe, be safe, keep your vibes high, keep your immune systems high, have a lot of vitamin C, a lot of B12, and a lot of alkaline water. Alright, be the reason someone smiles today. Alright, guys, see you on my next video. Bye.